Looking for the best LG washer but overwhelmed by too many options? Stick around because today we're breaking down the top models, from basic to the absolute best, so you can pick the perfect washer for your home. Let's kick things off with the most compact option on our list. The LG WM1455HWA is perfect if you're dealing with tight spaces, like a city apartment or a smaller laundry room. It takes the 5th spot in our ranking because, while it's great for some, it just doesn't have the raw power or capacity of the bigger machines. That said, there's still a lot to love about this model. It offers 2.4 cubic feet of washing space, which is decent for a compact washer. Plus, it spins at 1400 RPM, which is actually higher than some larger models. It comes loaded with smart features like Wi-Fi control and AI sensors that help adjust the cycle based on the fabric. The steam and allergen cycle are perfect for folks with allergies, removing over 95% of pet dander and dust mites. But the downside? This washer is really built for smaller loads. If you've got a big family or regularly wash bulky items like comforters, this won't cut it. Also, because it's so feature-rich, the cycles tend to run a bit longer. And while it's compact, the door doesn't reverse, so placement in your space might be tricky. If you live alone or with one other person, and you want a space-saving machine with advanced features, this could be the right fit for you. Oh, and by the way, if you're interested in checking out the latest prices for any washer in this review, you'll find links in the description right below this video. Next up, we have the LG WM4000HBA. This washer comes in at 4th place, and it's a solid mid-range option for most families. It's not the smallest, but it's also not one of LG's mega-sized machines. With 4.5 cubic feet of space, it hits a sweet spot for typical household laundry. It features Turbo Wash 360, which means you can clean large loads in under 30 minutes. A huge time saver. Plus, you get steam cleaning and an allergen cycle for deep sanitizing, just like the compact model, but in a bigger size. Smart connectivity with the ThinQ app lets you start and monitor cycles from anywhere. On the flip side, this washer is a bit smaller than LG's mega-capacity models, so it won't handle king-size comforters or massive family loads as well. And because it packs in so many features, the controls might feel a little overwhelming at first. This washer is a great choice for families who want speed and smart features without jumping to the largest machines. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home tech reviews. Coming in at number 3 is the LG WM8900HBA. This one is all about size and speed. If you've got a big family or do laundry constantly, this washer is built for you. It has a massive 5.2 cubic feet of capacity, so you can easily wash large blankets or multiple loads at once. Turbo Wash is included to help save you time, cutting down cycles by up to 30 minutes. And like other LG models, you still get steam cleaning and smart features, including AI sensing and app controls that connect with compatible LG dryers. However, it's important to know that this machine is big, both in size and price. At 33 inches deep and over 225 pounds, it may not fit every laundry space. Plus, it actually has fewer wash cycles, just 12, compared to some of the smaller models. If you've got the space and you want a washer that can handle heavy-duty laundry without breaking a sweat, this is a top contender. Now let's talk about a unique option, the LG WM6998HBA. This model takes second place in our ranking because it's not just a washer, it's an all-in-one washer and dryer combo. With 5 cubic feet of space, it can handle king-size comforters while still drying them too. The heat pump dryer is super energy efficient, using up to 60% less energy than traditional dryers. Plus, it has AI-powered wash and dry sensors, so it automatically figures out the best settings for each load. And if you're in a hurry, you can wash and dry a 10-pound load in about 2 hours. That's pretty impressive. The trade-off? You can't wash one load while drying another, since it's all in one machine. Also, drying heavier loads can take longer, and regular maintenance like cleaning the lint filter is important to keep it running smoothly. This model is perfect if you're short on space and want the convenience of washing and drying in a single step. It's ideal for apartments or homes where installing a vented dryer isn't an option. And finally, taking the top spot as the best LG washer overall is the LG WT8600CB. This is the ultimate choice if you need a washer that's both big and user-friendly. With a whopping 5.5 cubic feet of capacity, it's the largest machine in this review. It uses a top-load design with an impeller instead of an agitator, which means you get more room for your laundry without worrying about your clothes getting tangled. It also comes with a built-in faucet for pre-treating stains and an automatic detergent dispenser that handles up to 25 loads at a time. Plus, the smart features let you control everything right from your phone. The downside? The controls are advanced and can feel a bit complicated at first. And yes, it's more expensive than some other top-load washers, but for the size and features, it's worth the investment. If you have a large household or just want to do fewer loads with less hassle, this washer should be at the top of your list. So there you have it, the best LG washers ranked from compact to king size. Check out the links in the description to find the best prices on all the models we covered today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more smart home reviews and tips.